On a peaceful night, moonlight bathed every corner of the zoo. Little monkey Mimi was busy getting ready for bed, and she invited you to join her on a nighttime adventure to see her animal friends. First, they visited the lazy sloth, who was hanging in a tree getting ready to sleep. Mimi softly said, "Good night, sloth. Have sweet dreams." The sloth slowly blinked his eyes in gratitude. Next, Mimi and you walked to the hippo pool. Hippo Lucy was yawning, ready to sleep in the water. Mimi said to Lucy, "Good night, Lucy. May you have a warm night." Lucy nodded and sank into the water. Along the path, they reached the lion's territory. The lion was lying on a rock. He opened his eyes, looked at Mimi and you, then slowly closed them. Mimi whispered, "Good night, lion. May your dreams be filled with peace." Lastly, on the way back to sleep, Mimi and you encountered the nocturnal owl. Owl Olivia was preparing for her night's hunt. Mimi waved goodbye. "Good night, Olivia. Good luck tonight." The owl responded with a gentle hoot. Mimi and you returned to her little bed, and she thanked you for joining her to visit her friends. Now, it was time for Mimi and you to close your eyes too, dreaming of your adventures at the zoo. Good night, little one. Good night, zoo.